Go.
Alright, so this problem focuses on tangent lines, and part A asks you to find the zeros. So that means you have to set the function equal to 0 and get all your zeros. So that's what I did here. You put x cubed minus 7x plus 6, and you set it equal to 0, and you get your x's. Part B asks for the line tangent of the graph of f at x equals -1. So you take the derivative of the function, which is given right here, and you get 3x squared minus 7. And then you plug in -1 to get your slope. So then you create your tangent line, which is y minus 12 equals -4 times x plus 1. And you get the f of 1 equals 12 by putting the 1 into the original equation. C asks for the number C that satisfies the conclusion of the mean value theorem on the interval of 1 to 3. So you just use the actual formula for the mean value theorem, which is f of b minus f of a over b minus a. And you just plug all your information in there, so f of 3 minus f of 1, 3 minus 1, because 3 is your b and 1 is your a. And you get 12 minus 0 over 2, which is 6. And then you set your derivative equal to 6, which will ultimately give you your c. Okay, so this problem also involves tangent lines. You're given the second derivative, and it's asking for the tangent line of f of x. So to get that, you would have to take the integral of the second derivative, which would be 3x squared plus 8x plus c. And then they give you the slope, which then you set equal to y, and you get your slope is equal to 3. So you set your first derivative to 3 and plug in 0, which will ultimately give you c. So if you plug in 0 for the x's and set it equal to 3, you get c equals 3. And then from there, you take the derivative of that, of your first derivative, and that'll give you your actual function. And then you get x cubed plus 4x squared plus 3x plus d, and d, use a different variable so you don't confuse with your c. And because of that, you put 0 in for your x's, because you're using this point right here, and then you set it equal to -2, and your d is equal to -2. So your whole function, after going from your second derivative all the way back to the regular function, is x cubed plus 4x squared plus 3x minus 2. Part B asks you to find the average value of the function on the interval of -1 to 1. And average value is just another formula, 1 over b minus a in the integral of b to a of f of x dx. So you have your b and your a, which is 1 over 1 minus -1. And you put your function, and you put your integral and your limits. Then you get 1/2, and you put your... Oh, yeah. 1/2, and then after you take the actual integral, then you get this right here, and then you plug in your limits, 1 and -1, and you subtract, and you get -2/3.